Professional development of vocational teachers is the key element for ensuring the quality and relevance of the vocational and technical education both in school and work-based. Using the new technologies like as 3D print and prototyping in VET high schools will be strengthen the links between school education and labor market. 3D for VET Teachers project aims to develop an educational resource for the purpose of the professional 3D printing technology implementation in a school atmosphere by VET teachers. Target group of the project are vocational high school teachers from electronics department. It helps VET teachers to provide visual materials in classroom, to seize engagement of students, to enhance hands-on learning with realistic models. The tangible results of the project are: 1. Increased knowledge of VET teachers about 3D printing processes, designing for 3D printing and slicing models, 3D modeling. 2. Greater understanding of 3D printing technical requirements, with equipments and software benchmark. 3. Increased practice level of VET teachers about creation a model to 3D print, developing modeling skills, slicing techniques and materials, 3D printing for electronic experiments. Outputs. There are 3 intellectual outputs. IO1. EC VET-based knowledge and skills progression framework. IO2 to 3D print training module for electronic course in vocational high schools. IO3 to 3D print training module online learning platform. Main aim of the IO1 is to develop EC VET-based training curriculum for 3D print training modules to use at vocational high schools by electronic teachers. It includes learning outcomes, curriculums, technical requirement report with equipments and software benchmark. Training module has 6 units. These are: 1. Introduction to 3D printing. 2. 3D printing process. 3. Creation a model to 3D print. 4. Developing modeling skills. 5. Optimization. 6. 3D printing for electronic introduction to 3D printing unit includes: 1. Overview of 3D printing technology. 2. Materials used in 3D printing. 3. Components of 3D printers. 4. Safety issues in 3D printing. 5. 3D printing application fields. 6. 3D modeling and printing software. 7. 3D printing file formats. 3D printing process unit includes: 1. Installation and calibration of the machines. 2. Preparations of the machine for printing. 3. Adjustment of printing process parameters. 4. Post-processing. 5. Quality control of 3D printed part. 3D printing process unit includes: 1. Orthographic projection. 2. 2D and 3D dimension. 3. Sketch 2D. 4. Boss base. 5. Cut. 6. Sketch 3D. 7. Assembly. Creation a model to 3D print unit includes: 1. Steps of part, 3D representation of a single design component. 2. Steps of assembly, a 3D arrangement of parts and/or other assemblies. 3. Steps of drawing, a 2D engineering, typically or a part or assembly. Optimization unit includes: 1. Optimization in the design process. 2. Optimization and quality. 3. Design recommendations. 4. Pre-processing parameters. 5. Infill design. 6. Cost optimization. 3D printing for electronic unit includes: 1. 3D print of electric components. 2. 3D print of electric projects. 3. 3D print of spare parts for electronics. 4. 3D print of electronic projects.